Hello everybody! Today we are going to learn how to read and import a DXF file into Designer. You're gonna see how easy it is and how handy. This can be a real time saver for you. Let's have a look at this rather complex DXF drawing. This green line stands for the contour. You see how elaborate it is. And the red line, this is our perforated zone area. Just bear in mind that there is a circle, as the circular shape has been cut out from this plate. There are also some slotted fixing holes and round fixing holes. So the complexity of this drawing, this is the reason why I would like to import it into Designer to be more efficient and quicker. So let's go to Designer. I'm gonna adjust my perimeters here. For the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to use square, CU square hole, square pitch, diameter 4, hole pitch 7, end pattern hole straight, material steel 1.5, and surface without further treatment. Now we are ready to click on Add Position. I confirm my perimeters with the next button, and here we go. You see that we are in the template section here. And there's this existing DXF drawing. Use elements from the existing DXF drawing. All I need to do is to choose a file. I'm gonna choose this file, open it, adjust units to millimeters, and upload data. That brings me to the DXF file with 3 values, types of plates. I'm gonna focus on that one. Here I'm gonna zoom it in. And the first step is to import your outline. Bear in mind that the circle should be also added to outline, as it has been cut out from our metal plate. Okay, both are marked in green. We are ready to go to the next step. Go to Import of Perforated Zone. Now I can mark the perforated zone. In order to import it, I need to click on Activate Contour Display. Now I can select this blue line, which stands for Perforated Zone. And here we go. It has been grayed out and we are ready to move on. Let's go to Import of Fixing Holes. As you see, there are 2 different types of fixing holes. So I need to define slotted hole first. And this will be 12 by 37. This is the size of it. Let me find it. Here we go. Rotation 0, as I would like to keep them horizontal. And then I select 1 by 1. Once I have done this, I'm gonna go and click on Import the selected fixing holes. And this is quite important, as this allows you to copy those fixing holes in your proper drawing. So we're gonna be patient and wait. They have turned green, so all is well. They should turn green. So I'm gonna do the same for the round hole. Round, size 10. And we are going to select each hole. I zoom in and I zoom out. And as you remember, you can do this with your mouse wheel, the zooming in and the zooming out. Here we go. And this is our last round hole. I'm gonna click on Import the selected fixing holes. Remember? And they have turned green too, so all is well. We are ready to import and turn off the assistant. Here we go. We are in the outline section. So I'm gonna turn off the grid and go to Perforated Zone. All is well except for the small error. I'm gonna zoom in to see what is the problem here. And those 2 squares, they are too close to the edge. So I'm gonna adjust it. For this purpose, I will use Cut Circle tool. So I'm gonna go to the very center point of a circle and define this circle. I think this should be enough. Here we go. This error is gone. We can move on and go to preview to enjoy the results of our work. Of course, you can apply the same for the other parts of your DXF file to import other plates. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Wishing you good luck with Designer and thank you for your attention.